We're the Grill Dads, and this is flank steak Tex-Mex tacos.
We're gonna season our flank steak with just salt, maybe a little pepper. You can see there's a very pronounced grain running through the meat. Take note of that, because later when you slice it, you wanna make sure you go against the grain, otherwise it's gonna be tough, and you're gonna say, I don't like flank steak because it's tough. But in reality, you do like flank steak, you just cut it wrong because you're a moron. Sorry. Cool.
We're gonna make the barbecue sauce for our flank steak Tex-Mex tacos. Very important secret ingredient that we use.
Read that wrong.
We're gonna reduce this and thicken it up. We're gonna add some vinegar to it. We're gonna do this all in the mini max right there, and then we're gonna add the other ingredients. All right, I'm gonna put about a cup of Coca-cola in this, and we're gonna use a 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar. We're gonna go ahead and put this on a mini max and reduce it down. All right, now that we've reduced down the Coke and our vinegar a little bit, we're gonna go ahead and add some other ingredients. We're gonna start off with adding a little grandma's molasses. I don't want it too sweet. All right, the next, no, over here, Mark, on me. No, Mark, on me. Okay, no. All right, we're gonna add a cup of ketchup. Next, we're gonna add some crushed red pepper. I'm gonna do about a teaspoon. We're gonna add about a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a stir. We're gonna let it simmer and reduce down again. All right, we've reduced down our barbecue sauce. If it's done and it's thick enough, just take it back of a spoon or a fork and just see. Ooh, that's looking pretty good. Hot. All right, give me a second, Mark. All right, I'm just gonna take off a few leaves because this is a lot of cabbage. You don't need that much. A couple of these guys. This is napa cabbage. You're chopping your cabbage, take off part of this big bitter piece, just like this. That's kind of a cool motion. It feels good. I cut it then in half. Boom. And there we go. No. I'm gonna throw these on the grill.
Meat grain's going this way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slice it like this into smaller pieces and go against the grain. Oh shit, perfect. These tacos are super simple but have a big flavor. Barbecue sauce. Hot sauce.
Full recipe available at thegrilldads.com.